Hi guys, just thought I'd show you this graphic that I thought was pretty cool. What do you guys think of it? It's like a tunnel and you're sort of going along a like a roller coaster or whatever. Now what's even cooler about this is the fact that it's actually my wallpaper. And if I go onto something like Firefox, you can see Firefox running and it's still going in the background. Now how is this possible? Now this is done through a program called DreamRender. Now obviously it's taking the title from Dreamscene, which is included with Vista to allow you to have animated backgrounds. But this uses its own program. Now you notice that my icons have gone a bit strange. They're not as they usually would. I think it must overlap them so you can use them. But you can still, if I was to go onto my computer, I can still go on it. The icons just look a little bit different than they are normally. But you can see all of the icons, which is good. So with this this DreamRender, you can change the background. If you want something a little less action, if you just want something more peaceful, you can just go to the settings of it and change it. Now, if I was to go on something a little bit more peaceful, oil, how's oil? That's okay. Now, when I first started this, it said that it noted that I was using a resolution more than 1280 by 1024, and that it would run better if I ran it in 16-bit mode, which is like an old school mode, which I really didn't want to do. I prefer being in 32-bit because there's richer colours. Now some of these look fine. They all look fine, but just be aware that apparently that it works better in 16-bit mode. So if I was to choose something, I don't know, Supernova, I think this one's just flying through space or something. You just sort of go around. That's nice and peaceful, because obviously you don't want action all the time, because if you're trying to concentrate on your windows and there's stuff going on in the background, you don't want as many things. Now you have a load of settings here. This is all dreams, and then you've got a bunch here. Now I only assume that you can go to the main website that you can download this from, because I've just installed the program just to check it out. I'm sure there's more that you can download. I'll provide the link to them if there is. But you can see it says all dreams, recent, downloaded, personal scope, video, tunnel, bubble, fountain, dizzy, liquid. And it looks like you can just go to file, new, and well, it's come up DreamRender. And you can have background wallpaper, and the surface, picture, slideshow, video. So you can have a video in the background as well. Webcam, that's an interesting one. And then you go into the settings, and if I say new, view the webcam in IE, and then click here. That's interesting. So you can have webcam, you can have video, you can have this one looks interesting, daylight. So this is actually showing what I assume to be a real-time view of the world. Now that's a very interesting one. So it doesn't have to be completely 3D. This is just what looks to be a real-time map of the world, and it shows you what's in day and what's in night. Now that's very good. There's some other things as well. Video, paint, and this just looks like a changing of colours. So it's not just having video. You can change it and have a lot of different things for your wallpapers. I assume this was just for video, but it looks like there's other things you can do as well. So it says save the dream. I'll call it Untitled 323, and then I can have it here. So that looks quite good actually. I thought it would be just a bunch of videos, and I'd probably not use it or something like that. A bunch of videos that run in the background, and it's just for novelty. But you can actually have some use with this by going to File and New, and then selecting something. It looks like this this daylight thing looks very interesting, because I was looking for this before and I couldn't find a freeware application that did this and did it in real time in the background. So that's about it really. If you want to check this out, it's called DreamRender. I'm going to struggle to close this, aren't I? It tells you the frames per second in the bottom. And do not save this dream, that's the one. And then I'll close it. So that's about it really. Thanks for watching my video. Please comment, rate, subscribe if you like my videos, and thanks again.